Want to install Filmora 14 on Windows 11? I'll show you how in under 2 minutes. Let's dive in. The easiest and most secure way to install Filmora 14 is through the Microsoft Store. First, click on the Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and click on the app when it appears. This is Windows' official App Store, so you know you're getting the legitimate version. Once the Microsoft Store opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of the window. Click on the search bar, type Filmora and press Enter. Filmora will appear in the search results. Click on the Filmora app to open its details page. Before installing, take a moment to review the app information. When you're ready, click the blue Install or Get button. The download will start automatically, and you'll see a progress bar tracking the installation status in real time. Once the installation is complete, the button will change to say Installed and appear grayed out. To launch Filmora, click on the Start menu at the bottom left of your screen. In the search bar, type Filmora and you'll see it appear in the search results. Click on the Filmora 14 app from the results to open it. The app may take a moment to initialize and set up the editing environment for optimal performance. The application will load all its features and you'll see the main interface where you can create a new project, explore templates, or access tutorials. And that's it! You now have Wondershare Filmora 14 installed and ready to use on Windows 11.